Susan Powell.
Thank you, Ben. Again, we started the day today with massive contrasts in our temperatures across the UK. Rural Oxfordshire first thing, -9 degrees. Head all the way north into gorgeous Highlands of Scotland, +12 degrees. Temperatures well above average here. In the next couple of days, though, we're going to see things levelling out. We will see things getting a little cooler in the north and temperatures rising in the south. At the moment, it's so cold to the south of the UK, thanks to this finger of Arctic air that's extended across from the continent. It's so warm to the northwest because we've got air coming from a long way southwest in the Atlantic. 14 degrees at the moment in Aberdeen. Some sunshine across eastern Scotland to take us through the afternoon, but a mild afternoon right the way across in Scotland and Northern Ireland with temperatures in double figures. Colder for England and Wales, particularly where we've got some fog lingering at the moment across parts of the Midlands and the Welsh Marches. Overnight tonight, again a bit of cloud towards the southeast, perhaps pegging the frost back there a little, but you'll notice more of that cloud coming down from further north, and as that encroaches, so does that relatively milder air. So that blue area indicating where we'll get the coldest spots. The frost overnight actually gets smaller towards the end of the night, but we could still in some parts of the rural Midlands get down to -6 or so. And certainly where we keep the coldest and the clearest weather overnight, there's also a chance that we will fog out a little bit like we did this morning, but with more of a shift towards the west country. Still some fog for the Midlands and East Anglia. But this is the change in our weather basically through the middle of the week. This cold weather front sinking its way south, but what it's doing actually is bringing in, yes, relatively chilly air to the air that's been across Scotland, but flushing away that very cold air from the far south of the UK. So brightening skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow, a little cooler than today. England and Wales with more cloud, perhaps a little bit of rain through the afternoon, but notably milder than it has been to start the week. And then for the end of the week, it looks like high pressure is going to try and take hold. A lot of fine and sunny weather around on Thursday. A somewhat chilly breeze coming in off the North Sea to eastern coastal counties. A bit of patchy cloud around here, 1 or 2 showers. Notably chillier, actually, across Scotland and Northern Ireland. A return to average temperatures for the time of year, or slightly below. 14 today, remember, in Aberdeen, just 6 by Thursday. But we're looking at 8s, 9s, maybe 10s across England and Wales. And that's far more typical for this point in the year. And then it looks like we're going to stick with our relatively average temperatures as we move into the weekend, and quite a bit of dry weather to come in the days ahead, which is good news because many areas are still recovering from all of that rain earlier in the month. Ben.